So hello, welcome. So today we're talking about gathering supplies for the lovely Itch to Stitch Sorata dress. Now we've done a few Itch to Stitch patterns in the Love and Stitches Club, and they are always brilliantly drafted patterns with great instructions, with multiple cup sizes, which really helps get a beautiful fit. Now this dress has a few different options. It is elasticated at the waist, and you can do a knee length version, a long length version, or a ruffled hem. And it's got a V neckline, and you've got a single ruffle sleeve, a double ruffle sleeve, or a flutter sleeve. And I haven't quite decided which option I'd like to do yet. I think maybe I might go a double ruffle sleeve, and the flutter sleeve is another option, but I think that will give some really nice detail on here, some nice interest, and I'm going to do the ruffled hem as well, giving the best kind of, or giving you the most complex version, I guess, to see. So you get to see the making of the most complex version. Cup sizes for personal fits, 4 sleeve options: sleeveless with no ruffle, sleeveless with a single ruffle, sleeveless with double ruffles, or flutter sleeves, a flattering V neckline. 3 length options: knee length, long length, or long with a ruffled hem. A slip-on style with no closures, so there's no zips, buttons, or anything complex like that to worry about. We have elasticated waist with 3 rows of elastic and optional inseam pockets. It's designed for lightweight woven fabrics. So after completing the Jotty Duster and using my real expensive luxury fabric, I wanted to show you the other end of the scale really, and show you that you don't need to spend lots of money on fabric to create beautiful wearable garments. So I took myself on a trip to Economy Fabrics, which is near Junction 29 on the M1, and near Chesterfield, towards Chesterfield, and got myself this lovely, I think it's a linen and viscose, but Economy Fabrics does not really provide you with fibre content. They buy up dead stock fabrics, and so this I've actually used in the past before. If you look back on the sew-alongs, I did the Paper Theory Zadie jumpsuit with this fabric. It's almost, well, it's jungle-ish, but it's this lovely green that's like a leopard print, and then the coral and the light blue-grey are almost doing a zebra or a tiger print underneath that. I just think it's fabulous. The colours are good colours on me as a spring season, and yeah, they're part of my colour palette. However, this does not really fit in with my colour palette for the capsule wardrobe. So I was just thinking, as a dress, it can be a standalone piece that still fits in with the capsule wardrobe, but you don't need to worry about coordinating it with anything. You just wear it on its own. I think it's probably a linen and viscose mix. I've pre-washed it. It's washed really quite nicely. Just got a little crinkle, not too creased. So I'll give it a good press before I cut out anyway. But yeah, I needed 4 meters. So when I was looking online, I couldn't find any fabrics that I really loved that were in a good price range. So actually, did I tell you how much this was? £2.50 a metre. So this 4 meters of fabric, and I also bought 3 meters of 1 inch elastic. Well, I think it's actually 1/2 inch elastic. I'm hoping it will still work. £11.50. Now, You can't go wrong with that. I think the fabric is a good quality fabric. It's a dead stock fabric, which means it's kind of probably been used by a retailer and they've overbought. But yeah, it's pretty special, I think. Pretty good for £2.50 anyway. You're not going to beat that price-wise. So it depends what size you're making and which option. I will upload the sizing charts to the video and the fabric requirements. So fabric, it suggests lightweight woven fabrics such as shirting, rayon challis, batiste, chambray, lightweight linen and lightweight broadcloth. Keep in mind that the wrong side of the fabric will be visible on the ruffles and flutter sleeves, so choose your fabric accordingly. If you opt for the armhole ruffles, note that the fabric can become quite bulky. Be sure to use very lightweight fabric. Interfacing, use light fusible woven or weft insertion interfacing. I'll be using fusible. Other materials, stay tape or cut your own strips of stay tape from lightweight interfacing. 3/8 elastic, 1 centimetre wide elastic, 3 times the length of your waist. And for the sleeveless top, no ruffle, single ruffle or double ruffles. You need some bias binding. So I'm gonna make my bias binding from the fabric. It also says you need 3 small safety pins, and that'll be to do your elastic in the channels. Yeah, so the ruffled hem dress, depending what size you're doing, can take up to 4 meters. And then if you're doing the flutter sleeve, you need another 1/2 meter. So it is a relatively fabric hungry dress for such a simple sleeveless version, or with the flutter sleeve. But I think it's going to be lovely for summer. Let's just keep our fingers crossed that we get some sun and the opportunity to wear a sleeveless dress, or a summery dress. Yeah. So gather your supplies. Discount codes will be uploaded into the Love and Stitches Club Facebook group as soon as they're available. And yeah, I look forward to seeing what you all make and what fabrics you all choose and how this fits in with the rest of your capsule wardrobe.